This one, a little bit of elbow grease. You can see how much cleaner this tip is looking now.
What's good? It's your boy Chevy back with another video. What we got rocking today is your boy has to go ahead and clean off these exhaust tips. These exhaust tips have been dirty since I've gotten the vehicle, and the boy finally just got his chrome polish in. So, first thing you might notice, it is raining like crazy out here. I can't believe what today is looking like. But, so you know, I backed it up into the garage as best as I could, and now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna polish these tips up right now, so that way I can get it as clean as possible, looking for you guys and for myself. So let's go ahead and jump into it and what we're working with. First thing we're gonna do, grab some of this wheel cleaner, because I'm sure this is gonna help. So now we got wheel cleaner over here. Your boy has some bronze wool, Chemical Guys heavy metal polish, gray microfiber cloth, and some gloves. Let's get a little bit of light over here so we can see a bit better. Let's throw some gloves on. Handy dandy gloves. And check this out though. So on the BMWs, you see how this one is much more dirtier than this one? If you look on the inside of here, I'm sure if you guys can see that, there's a valve in there. That opens and closes when I put it in Sport Plus mode and such. But that's why that side is less dirty than this side, because this one's always open. Let's solve that today. First we're gonna start off, I'm gonna spray some of this degreaser on there. Let that sort of work its way in there. And let that sit for a little bit. It's gonna sort of break down the deposits that's sitting on there right now. Man, it is raining cats and dogs today. It looks nuts out there right now. All right, then we're just gonna wipe this down. And if you got like plastic or something like here you don't want it on, it's never a bad idea to just use some painter's tape and just tape around here. But I think we're gonna be just fine. And you can see that it's taking off some of that, the deposits that were sitting on there. Now we got to get it a little bit better. This bronze wool heavy metal polish, and I'm going to put a little bit on the front of this. So I'm going to go ahead, squeeze some up there, squeeze some here. Now we're going to try to work this into the car now. Oh. Some people like to do, you rub it in place a little bit. I'm just going to work it around. Man, I could feel it just taking that stuff off. You can see by looking at this, you can see the stuff just sitting on there. Use a little bit more. Put it on my thing. Let's rub it into place just a little bit. Boy lost a glob over there if you can't see it. And we're just gonna continue to work this into place. If you got a huge job to do with this, I recommend you guys get that drill attachment. I think Chemical Guys makes one. It's called like the ball buster or something. And it allows you to sort of do this using a drill. But your boy has some of this bronze wool. Why not use it since it's recommended? A little bit of elbow grease. Feel like we've gotten that to a good spot. I'm gonna grab some of this wheel cleaner again, spray it down once more. And then let's take a look at what it's looking like. Hey, yo, much nicer. Just like that, you can see how much cleaner this tip is looking now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and that was the cleaner one. I'm gonna do the other side now, and we'll wrap this up. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and you got nice clean tips. I don't know if you guys can hear that as it's scrubbing it. Man, this is putting in work.
As you guys can see, much cleaner. Look at those things. Look at this one, man. The difference. Sheesh. As you can tell though, on this one, there's a bit of oxidation that happened at the bottom there. On this side, some of the chrome's coming off, and this side. Put it down in the comment section if you think your boy should cop some new tips. I'm talking those carbon fiber, AK style tips, yo. Those things look so mint, man. I got water all on my glasses. Oh my gosh. But yo, check it out, son. I hope this was a very quick, easy video for you guys to follow. Hopefully you get your exhaust tips perfect as well. Mine are looking way better than they looked before. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. And as always, I'm gonna make sure I have these things down in the description below. All of the links are gonna be down there. It helps the channel out if you use those links. Anyways, it's your boy. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.